This is the flyweight pattern. Stop storing the same data 10,000 times. Share one copy from a pool. Render a chat with 10,000 messages, and naively everyone carries a full copy of the author, name, avatar, color, role. That's 50 people copied to death. And your formatter already does this for currency, your browser for fonts. Stay for that. JS Patterns. Episode 8. Here's the naive chat. Every message owns the author's name, avatar, URL, color, and role. 10,000 messages from 50 users, so you've stored those 50 avatars 10,000 times. Most of each object is identical, duplicated, eating memory. The data that's the same everywhere is the whole problem. Flyweight splits state in two. Intrinsic state is shared and immutable, the author. Extrinsic state is per message, the body, and the timestamp. You keep one author object per user, freeze it, and every message just points at it. 10,000 copies collapse into 10,000 pointers to 50 objects. Here's the pool, a map keyed by user ID. GetAuthor checks the pool. A hit returns the shared one. A miss freezes a new flyweight and caches it. Object.freeze is the whole game, because everyone holds the same reference. The shared copy has to be immutable. Now make message keeps the body and timestamp, plus a pointer to the shared author. 10,000 messages, 50 authors, 50 author objects in memory instead of 10,000. Same chat on screen, a fraction of the footprint. But one rule. You only pool immutable intrinsic state. Mutate a flyweight and you mutate it for every message pointing at it. One user changes color and the entire history flips. That's why we froze it. Pool what's shared and constant, never the extrinsic state. And the payoff, you already use this. Building an Intl number format is expensive, so you pull one formatter per locale and currency key and reuse it. Browsers in turn repeated strings. Game engines pull one glyph, one sprite, drawn 1,000 times. The test: if the same value lives in thousands of places, don't copy it, share it. So stop duplicating. One pool, frozen flyweights, extrinsic state on the outside. Same screen, a fraction of the memory. Beyond code karma. See you in the next pattern.